we have just appropriated 24 billion shillings in the name of stabilization of oil. Madam Speaker, stabilization fund is supposed to come from the Petroleum Development Levy. It's not supposed to come from the taxes, the consolidated fund. It's not an exchequer vote. So let's call a spade a spade. What we are doing is subsidy. We are subsidizing petroleum products with 24 billion shillings. Otherwise, we should not have appropriated it in the appropriation bill. We should have taken it from the Petroleum Development Levy. So if the levy is over, we have exhausted the levy, let us tell Kenyans that Parliament has passed a subsidy of 24 billion shillings to subsidize diesel, to subsidize petrol, to subsidize kerosene, to subsidize all manner of petroleum products. It is very good. Let us not run away. All countries in the world subsidize for their citizens. Let us not shy away. If Uhuru did it, he was doing it for the benefit of the people of Kenya. He was not doing it for his wife, for his mother, or for his children. So let us agree today as a country, and let us see that the new government has seen the light of the day. The new government has seen that subsidy is the right way.
Chair, I think it's not in order for Honorable Junet to misinform the House about a subsidy, that there is no line, and the Chair of Budget is here. Why is he insinuating that there is subsidy when it's not there? Can you read the statement where the subsidy is instead of misinforming the House?
Madam Speaker, the line reads stabilization, but I said very well, stabilization fund is supposed to come from the Petroleum Development Fund. It's not supposed to come from the money we are appropriating here. We have appropriated 24 billion shillings in the wrong line. We have stabilized, we have subsidized fuel with 24 billion shillings. It's good. Don't shy. Don't run away from it. It is going to help the people. It's going to make the cost of living come down. Just see the light, and the glory is back, and Uhuru Kenyatta is back in Kenya. Thank you very much.
Honorable Bashir.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. I first want to commend the Chair and the members of Budget Committee. I'm aware and fully aware that the Chair and his team really respect the views and concerns of the Budget Committees. And this budget is